Hi, I'm Yasmin. I'm a skin and laser specialist here in Havana Skin Clinic in Dundrum. And in this video, we're speaking about the Dermaroller and active acne. Acne is something that I am very passionate about, as I would suffer from acne, and thank God I have it under control now. So, if we have acne and it's quite active right now, we cannot use any Dermaroller or even go for any microneedling. The reason being is we can spread the acne and spread the bacteria, and we don't want to do that. So we need to make sure that we're controlling our acne first. When we get to a point where we're left with maybe just the scarring, then we can use the roller. Now, you're probably watching this video and you have active acne and you're wondering why I'm saying when we have it under control, it's never going to happen. Don't give up, it will. I would have had a lot of breakouts on my skin, and then I went really strict with myself because I was completely giving up, especially working in this industry. I felt very self-conscious. So if we control your acne, you will get to a point where you may not have any breakouts. Don't get me wrong, the time in the month, hormones, etc. does bring out a little bit of a few spots. If that happens, don't roll over those spots, you can go around them. But if you would have a lot of active acne covering the face or even the chin area and jawline area, just be very, very careful. Even send a picture onto ourselves. We'd be more than happy to have a look. I would be able to advise you if it is okay to use your roller or not okay to use it, and give you advice on how we can help you control your acne to get you to the point of us clearing up your scarring with the Dermaroller. If you have any questions at all, just pop them below, or as I said, if you'd like to forward on your pictures of your active acne, we'd be more than happy to help you and guide you in the right direction to get you to the point where you're a lot more confident in yourself. Thanks for watching my video.
What I do is I help women to be confident and to not criticise themselves when they don't have makeup on, especially mothers with children, because we have busy lives, so we don't always have the opportunity to take that 15 to 30 minutes in the morning to apply all the makeup on. So most of the time something's going to crop up where we need to run out the door with no makeup on. So it's just really to help you have that confidence that you're able to leave your house comfortably by just taking a few simple steps in your skincare routine at home.